pull me out, pull me out. Underneath our bad blood, we've still got a sanctum home. Still a home, still a home, yeah. It's not too late to build it back, 'cause a 1 in a million chance is still a chance, still a chance. And I will take those odds.